Shopify Error 500. Shopify Error 500 is an internal server error that typically occurs when something goes wrong on Shopify's servers, not your end. It may happen while loading your store, editing themes, accessing admin dashboard, checking out products. How to fix Shopify Error 500, step by step. 1. Check Shopify's status page. Visit www.shopifystatus.com/shopifystatus.com/ see if there's an outage or system maintenance. 2. Clear browser cache and cookies. Control-Shift-Delete or Command-Shift-Delete Mac. Clear cached data and cookies. 3. Try incognito mode or another browser. This helps rule out browser extension issues. 4. Disable third-party apps or themes. Recent theme or app updates can trigger this. Revert changes temporarily. 5. Check custom code if developer access. If you've added Liquid or JavaScript edits, revert or debug them. Theme error logs can help if accessible. 6. Contact Shopify support. If it's on Shopify's side, only their team can resolve it. 7. Use Shopify CLI or advanced users. If admin UI fails, you can use the Shopify CLI or API to manage your store programmatically.